Yeah, but he's still really good at the game.
The first one to get down.
Well, what? On zombie mode?
He's pretty much prestige.
What the heck?
Where did you invite me to? What did you invite me to? What did you
I go, Doris. You'll punch your game move.
I don't talk to my people. Not interesting.
Raise your hand if Raise your hand if you suck balls.
Raise your hand if you suck all the balls.
Yeah.
Wait for it.